Let's look at the values of your company. What are values? Do you even know what the values of your company are? You know, I look, when you go to places, this beautiful mission statement: honesty, integrity, respect. And you walk in there and they treat you like dirt. But the values is saying honesty, respect, integrity, but they rip you off around every little corner. How honest are you in your business? Do you have integrity? Do you respect your workers? Do you respect your customers? Do you respect your suppliers? There are many assholes in this world who hide behind a company name. Are you one of them? When it comes to values, you need to be clear on what your values are, and you need to live by them. If you have a mission statement, what is your mission statement? Your mission statement is what your values are that you live by every day in your company. And you as the boss, you can't sit in a little corner and write your mission statement. Your staff needs to be part of it. Your staff needs to understand how they fit into that mission statement. You don't go and sit in a little corner, write the mission statement, put it there and give it to your staff, and you treat them like rubbish, but you expect them to treat your customers with respect and courtesy. You know, it's horrible and heartbreaking to see how people who deem themselves to be in a position of authority, how they abuse their workers. It's disgusting, and you are a vile person if you do that. It's unacceptable. So when it comes to your values, what is the message that you want to send to your customers and your staff and your suppliers? What is the culture in your company? What is your personal culture? What do you believe in? What do you stand for? Because I can say to you this: if you are known as a rude, dishonest person and you start a business, who's going to buy from you? Clearly not people who know you. They will avoid you. But if you are known as an honest person with integrity, people would want to do business with you. So your mission statement is the values that you want to live by in your company every day. What's the vision for your company? Where do you see your business? What do you want to reach? What do you want to achieve in your business? That's your vision. And the thing with the vision of a company, it's always out of reach. It's what you work towards. And not just I want to be the best. Everybody wants to be the best in the industry. You must focus on what would make you stand out. Many times when you read the vision and the mission statement, you can see someone pulled it from the internet because it clearly doesn't apply to this company. There's a company called Reputation Matters. The owner is Regine Leroux. If you want to understand values, the mission and the vision, go to the website of Reputation Matters and you will see what it means when you have values and everyone in the company is part of it. So that is the mission and the vision and the values in your company. It doesn't start when you register a business. It starts the moment you begin your business. The moment you realize, but I've been selling this and hang on, I'm actually making money. I'm running a business. That is when you must think about your values, because now you must think towards the future. That when you grow and you expand and you start employing people, what do you want to teach to them? What do you want them to know? What do you want them to share with customers? These things, you don't wait when you've opened your bank account, registered your company, have your tax clearance certificate. Now you want to think, what's the vision and mission? No. The moment you realize that I'm an entrepreneur and I'm doing what is in my heart, that is when you must start thinking big. You must start thinking with that vision in mind for yourself and for your business. And the secret of your vision and your mission, especially the mission and the values of your company, it must be in line with who you are as a person. Because once it's in line with who you are as a person, it's easier to live by it. So can you see the options that you have when you want to start a business? There's so much support right now for people who want to start a business. All you need is to be willing. All you need is to be able to put in the work, because hard work is required. You need to work while others are sleeping. You need to be awake when others are sleeping. You must work twice as hard, do twice as much if you want to see success. But there also needs to be balance. You can't just work all the time. You need to rest. You need to revitalize, to re-energize. Sometimes you need a break from your business. So all of these, it's part of running a business. But the key things that I want you to take away from this live today is to understand that wherever you are, whatever you do, you have enough to start running your business. You must just be willing and open to learn and to do the work. You must be willing to do what needs to be done in order to build this business into fruition, to bring it into fruition. Success won't come overnight. Money won't come overnight. But if you keep on doing it, your hard work will pay off. You need to learn to grow a backbone. You need to learn to be stubborn. If you have that idea and you act on it, you will be disappointed many times over. You will trust the wrong people. But when that heartache and that disappointment come, take it as a lesson and ask yourself, what can I learn from this? You need to understand the value that you bring. It doesn't matter whether it's the CEO of the most powerful company in the whole world and they offer you an opportunity. You don't go there with your tail between your legs. You don't go there begging. You go there with the strength and the skills and the knowledge that you have. You enter there with the confidence that they have seen something in you that could be of benefit to their company. That's why they came to you.